Hello everybody, welcome back to our healthy cooking class. I hope you are ready. I went already to wash my hands. I hope you do it as well at your house. We just had our super fan experiment of the week and it was a bit messy, so I had to change, as you can see, but it's all fine. We can make a mess and then we clean it up. Look, it's all done, all good, no problems. We can make a mess and after we just clean it up again. I got new gloves, gonna put them on for the cooking class. We're gonna get ready. You guys at the house, please go wash hands with soap nicely everywhere. 10 seconds. Make a lot of bubbles, 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 bubbles everywhere nicely, and then come back soon. Fast, fast, fast. All right, now sit down. Are you ready? Today we're making healthy pancakes, dairy free, because some of you at the school are a bit allergic to dairy. So you might need bananas. If you can find some that are ripe, it's better because we need to mash this one. Smash, smash, smash. We need some cinnamon, if you can, or you like cinnamon. I love it. You need some eggs. These ones I washed them already, so what we called disinfect. So with hot water and maybe a little bit of soap, but that was way before. And also we need oatmeal. Simple things that you might have at your house and really healthy. You need a spoon and also fork and a bowl like this one, okay? Because we are going to put the ingredients inside. So what we're going to do first, we are going to put the ripe banana inside, okay? So with the banana inside the bowl and the fork, we are going to mash like this. Mash and mash. You might want the help of mommy or daddy because it could be a bit tricky to hold it and to mash at the same time. You need to press, press, press. Well, look at that. That's why you need to have a ripe one. You see? Also with the spoon you can do the same thing, but for me I think I rather the fork. It works better for me, stir it this way. So as you can see, the banana is going really well. All pasty. And it smells sweet because basically banana is full of sugar, but it's healthy sugar. So we don't need to add any other extra sweet stuff. But if you want, we always add some honey as well. That's fine too, because honey is healthy. That is done. So who wants to break the eggs? I know that you love this part. So with the spoon, with the help of mommy or daddy, you're gonna break the egg like this. You know, softly. And then, ta-da! Very good. I know you guys love this part, but be careful. It's a lot of fun cooking time. So that was 1 and then 2 and 3 eggs. Very good. So what we're doing, healthy pancakes. So bananas are inside, 1 banana, and then 3 eggs. So with the spoon and the eggs inside, now I do need the spoon for this, because look, it's a little bit creamy and liquid. I'm going to show you what happens. It's becoming more liquid. It's a bit of an experiment. Cooking is a lot of fun. Before, the banana was a solid, and now it's becoming liquid, along with the eggs. Look at that. It's looking more like a pancake mix now, huh? So what else we had today? We had the cinnamon. So mine is ready. I love cinnamon, so I'm gonna put a bit extra. So healthy pancakes could be for breakfast or snacks or dinner, really, because it's healthy. And it's not heavy, even for dinner if you're going to bed. And it's so delicious. So we mix. The honey with the bananas. But do remember to always ask help from mommy or daddy. We don't do these things by ourselves. We don't go in the kitchen alone, and we do not get things without permission. Just like at the school with Miss Joy. Okay, I know you're very good. I don't have to tell you these things. You are the best. And I miss you so much. But I know you're doing so good. And I'm happy to do this for you, because we can have fun just like we're doing from the videos. So what do we need to add? The oatmeal. Very good. So little by little, you pour it. Pour. 1 cup, or if you like some more, you add some more. If you have a big family and you want to make a big breakfast, then you double the amount of things we just used. But today, we don't need that much. Here we go. Okay everybody, so here we are. So this is how our healthy pancake looks like. We are done, and if you want to add any honey, you can do that as well. It would be amazing. An extra touch, also healthy. I hope you loved it, and I hope you send me your videos and pictures. Bye bye, have fun.